Today is Tuesday, 9th February 2021, and the time is right now 4 p.m. and the temperature is minus 25 degrees Celsius, but it feels like minus 31 degrees Celsius. I just start my walk from the intersection of 8th Street Southwest and 17th Avenue Southwest. It's a Canadian Tire in downtown Calgary. Still is under extreme cold weather warning. It was minus 40 degrees in the morning. Maybe the rest of the week the polar vortex will continue. Keep heading 17th Avenue Southwest. I chose this road today because today is the second day of reopening of first days in Calgary. They reopened the restaurant dining, but with limited capacity. Hope that things will go better. Today is a very sunny day, a lot of sunshine from the morning. In the 17th Avenue, there are a lot of restaurant and cafe. I can This analog coffee shop is very famous, and I tried their coffee like 3-4 times. It's very good actually. He's all over the place. Look at the restaurant. He showed me his hand. Maybe she wants to say hi. My gimbal are a little bit shaking right now because I think because of the cold. Even though it's extreme cold, but people are love to walking on roads. They're enjoying the sunshine. And thank you so much for your love and kindness. A lot of people give me a positive feedback on my last video, which is very inspiring for me. Just keep inspiring me. I will continue my work. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Just hold it a second. I just fixing my gimbal. That's better. This 17th Avenue is one of the busiest and popular street in Canada. I was searching in the Google the popular street in Canada. I found like 20 street in Canada. They are popular because of the fancy restaurant, coffee shop, boutiques, and 17th Avenue Southwest, Calgary, Alberta is one of them. Edo Japanese sushi. Yeah, I can see one person in the dining. Hope whenever the polar vortex will be over and people will be more coming in the restaurant and enjoy their walking. I'm here at the intersection of 17th Avenue Southwest and 5th Street Southwest. Oh. This is my turn. Look at the patio. Yeah, most of the patio in winter looks like look at the beautiful graffiti. Ship and Anchor Pub. I love the sunshine. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. You can hear the sound of the car and the road. Because of the extreme cold, the road becomes so like what I can say, yeah, only drivers can understand how is the road right now. There you can see some people, they are enjoying their food after a long time in a dining space. Yeah, I missed too much in the restaurant. Right now I'm the intersection of 4th Street Southwest and 17th Avenue Southwest. It's the freezing cold. Yeah, I literally packed up like 3 or 4 layers. Oops, my gimbal. And just fix my gimbal. Yeah, it was bothering me. It was shaking and flipping over. I can see the Calgary Tower. So I'm going to finish my walk here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. And thank you so much everyone for your feedback and support. Take care, stay warm, have a good night.